What's up guys and welcome back to the channel, it's Croft here. Got today, this is the Wacom Intuos. I don't know if actually I'm pronouncing it the right way. If I'm not, I do apologize, but I believe that is Wacom. Anyway, you can read it, so you know what I'm talking. I was actually showing the back of the box, but doesn't matter, it will be the same. You can see the product, you will see the product outside the box. But this is, you already realized if you look into the box, this is a drawing tablet. At the moment I'm doing a project for my exams that they are really doing soon, and I still need to do some stuff, and I'm definitely going to use that to help me with what I need to design. I have been using my mouse my entire life. This is the first time that I'm going to use a tablet, a drawing tablet. So probably it's going to be a little bit weird, because most of the time or I was using my mouse, even if it's really nice and really precise, the mouse that I use, because I usually work on the iMac and has the Apple mouse, the Magic 2, and it's really nice. If you own one, you know what I'm talking about, because especially when you are doing something in Photoshop and you can just drag because of like the sensitivity on the top of the mouse, and it's really good. And especially when I'm trying to draw, it makes it somehow, it helps of course, but that is not going to be just for that. And because this is a gaming channel, of course you guys need to create thumbnails, right? All the thumbnails that I create, that they are on my videos, it's me that usually design them. Of course I just cut parts of the game, and after I just need to trim parts and just try to put all different sequences, like different pictures, and I just put in one. But of course you have the process of deleting what is on the background, for example. I use the mouse, it has been actually fine, but the thing is that I would like to step over and do something else more, like with designing something more cooler and some thumbnails that I might do in the future. So that's the reason why as well. Well, that was not the reason why I got that. This one is for my studies, but it's going to be two in one. Not just help me with the studies, for me to design things, to do some sketches, but as well to create my thumbnails. But anyway, let's see what is inside the box, because I'm actually curious, because I never used it. I never used one. As I said, or the mouse, or I was actually using my iPad. But guys, let's crack one, let's open it. And because they have the small and the medium, I thought that the small would be too small. And as well I can see that they give 3 free creative software downloads. I don't know which ones they give, but let's see. Let's open and let's see. So okay, so let's put the box on this side. So here is the tablet. It's quite decent. I like the size already. And this, it looks like an iPad. Honestly, this actually looks the size of my iPad 2 that I have. So this looks like that. I'm trying to look into the camera in the same time. So it has just kind of like a label, like the Wacom label. So has here the instructions, that might be as well the, let's see, let's have a look. Let's have a look. So basically it shows how to turn on. That can be, so that is Bluetooth, is not, oh yeah, you can connect using the, or that probably is just for charging, because it shows there the connection like the cable, but I'm not sure if this is just for charging or not. But anyway, after I can just test and see if what is for. Here the cable, so the USB cable and the stylus pen. Let me check. Ooh, that is kind of, that is stuck. This is for us to not take it out, right? Jeez, oh, I'm actually trying to not to damage the pen. Okay, that's quite, it was quite difficult to get it out. And it seems like that's it, is the only things that it comes. But anyway, you only need the tablet and you only need the pen, and of course the cable that will allow to charge the tablet. So here is the pen, very light, I would say, even lighter than a normal pen. Well, it depends. Well, some pens they might be a bit heavier, and some of them they are quite light. I believe that inside it comes with, because when I was looking into the reviews, I could see that they have some the pointers, you know, that you can change them, but I believe that must be inside. Yes, that opens, and that should be so. So I'm trying to show it. I'm just going to pass for the other camera because that is already I've seen. Okay, so basically has three like pointers that, of course, with the time you need to change them. So in a total it's 4, because one it comes already in it, and you have 3 spare ones. I will just get it closer, trying to keep it focused. Sometimes can be a bit difficult. Yeah, so basically like that. Yeah, don't look for my nails, by the way, guys. I'm actually improving. I have been biting my nails for so many years, and now because of all the situation with the coronavirus, I stopped actually biting the nails. So somehow it was a benefit for myself that I actually managed to stop. And even sometimes I try to, but mentally I actually think, no, don't do it. And they have been actually quite good. So now the next step is, let's try to see how it works. So you will see me using the tablet and the drawing, some drawing, I don't know, whatever, any drawing. So let's see. Okay, so I'm back and the computer already restarted. Everything is fine, is working fine. I can see here already that is an update. That is the firmware update. But let me just actually try now without doing the firmware update. Let's just minimize that. Let's start up into just a few easy steps. So press the button on the pen while hovering to right click. Learn about customize the buttons like that. So basically I will just turn it on the camera. So basically how it says there, just for me to old pen buttons, something like that. So basically here is all the one. So this is the shift over here, so that he's like to drag around the pipette, and as well the hand well to drag around. Well, this is to basically maximize. Pen over the pen above the surface of the tablet to move the cursor. Tap the pen tip to the surface of the tablet to click. So it's pen mapping. I believe that all that I will need to, not now, I'm just not going to register, not yet done. I believe that is going to open the website. Yep, that is the website, but I don't want that to be seen now. So let's open. I have here some of my projects because this is what I'm working at the moment with my studies, but let's open a new one, create a new one. I don't know if it works already. Yeah, it looks like, yep, it is. Whoa, that's really cool. Guys, look, I'm not even, look, this is the tablet. I'm not even getting closer, and look, that is already moving. That's crazy. The cursor, oh, it's already moving, and I'm actually not even touching on the tablet. One thing that actually I noticed is kind of like weird when just moving over, and the reason why is because it looks like that you are scratching completely the tablet, that you are going to damage, but the thing is that the way it is, I have seen some videos of some people that they were drawing, and basically all it was kind of, well, it was like a lot of scratches, but that still works fine. So let me just go back over here, and oh, that's crazy. Wow. Okay, let's maybe drawing what? Let's draw a house. No, wait, I need to wait, that is something, no, so I need to, oh, it's weird, guys, this is really weird. I'm just going to use my mouse, honestly, because I need to get used to, I definitely need to get used to it. But let's come back here, go to the background. But I believe that is all about practicing, because especially if it's my first time using that, is all about practicing. So let me just start drawing something like a flower, maybe. Let's make a flower. Whoa, that's weird. That's weird. Wait, can I? No, that's it. What if I press? Oh, that is to drag. Okay. That's it. Whoa. Pause it. It's fine. That's fine. Big disaster, but we'll be trying. Oh man, that is definitely not going to work out. That is the worst flower that I have ever done in my life. Well, probably I had even better when I was in a primary school. But okay, this I need to practice, and one of these days I definitely need to do a video when I will get much into it. So yeah, guys, this is awesome. I like, it's really light. That is practically like an iPad, to be honest. This is kind of like an iPad, in my opinion. It's just without like screen. That is just plain black and pistachio on the back. That I like. The color is a really nice color. It but it's weird, guys. It's really weird. I just need to get used to use it. But honestly, I just feel afraid of scratching the surface. But that's the way it is. This is ready for getting all the scratches, and I'm sure that it's going to work. I don't know if it has an estimate lifetime. If after like some time probably will stop work because it's too much scratches and will not be precise, but only I can see that with the time. Yeah, so guys, tell me what you think about that, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Hopefully I will be able to answer all your questions, because I will need to try more, to practice, and for sure I will have the answers for you. So let me know. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and see ya in the next video. See ya, guys.